Oh. How nice is this? Ducks. The place is going crazy with wildlife. There's water flowing through the creek too. It's nice. Go for a look. Beautiful. Oof, Mozzie. He can go away. Alright, back to riding and enjoying this awesome scenery. Love it. And if you took away all the traffic, because I'm in between two major roads, this would be quite peaceful. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Huh. Ducks. Alright, let's keep moving. Yeah. Well, I found me a dirt track. Cool. See where this goes. Have a look at this skyline. Hold a sec. This is all water.
Workout paused.
Ooh. Have a go at these clouds. Yep. Got a bit of moisture in it, that one. Alright, let's keep going. Wow. This is cool. This track has got no traction. I was doing burnouts coming up one of the hills behind me. Slinging mud everywhere. Yo! Get into it, let's go. Ah. I can hear a helicopter besides all the traffic. Yo! This is good fun.